Good morning, students. Let's start the period of business studies. Students, today we will start our second chapter of organizing. Organizing is the second function of management. In the first function, we discussed about the meaning of organizing, okay, types of organizations, etc. So today we will discuss the organization structure. Functional and divisional means organization is structure is divided between two parts: functional organization structure and divisional organization structure. So let's start. First of all, before starting this, we will come to know about the meaning of organization structure in brief. It refers to that framework within which all managers and non-managerial tasks are performed. वो स्ट्रक्चर जिसमें सभी मैनेजरियल और नॉन मैनेजरियल फंक्शन परफॉर्म किए जाएंगे मींस सभी ड्यूटीज़ परफॉर्म की जाएंगी स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर। सुपरवाइज़र से लेकर सीईओ मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर तक सब इसके अंडर आते हैं। तो सम ऑफ दैम आर doing the managerial job and some of them are doing non-managerial job. So let's start. Meaning of organization structure. Organization structure refers to the specific pattern of relationship which is created during the organizing process. A specific pattern of relationship means it will be decided that who will be from the top level, who will be from the middle level management, who will be from the lower level management and क्या उनका relationship रहेगा. Okay, means who will command to whom. Another important question in this respect is whether the pattern or form or design of organization structure can be similar. अब क्वेश्चन ये उठता है कि क्या सभी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में ये स्ट्रक्चर सेम ही रहेगा. इफ़ ए विल बी द बॉस, क्या वो सी और डी को ही कमांड करता रहेगा या कुछ हमें चेंज करना पड़ेगा. द आंसर विल बी इन द नेगेटिव. तो आंसर होगा नो, because the nature and work and its size are different in respect of each enterprise. ये सेइंग कि सभी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जो हैं अपनी वर्किंग्स को लेकर अपने साइज़ को लेकर डिफरेंट हैं. तो सभी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस में ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर जो है वो भी डिफरेंट होगा. Therefore, organization structure is designed in accordance with three characteristics of the enterprise. So, on the basis of these characteristics of the enterprise, कौन सी characteristics? Working and size. So there can be many forms or design of organizational structure. अलग अलग हो सकते हैं. In any enterprise, the organizational structure once decided undergoes change according to the situations. कहता है कि एक बार अगर हमने डिसाइड कर लिया कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर तो ऐसा नहीं है कि इट कैन नॉट बी चेंज, इट कैन बी चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिचुएशन. आई विल टेल यू इन द चैप्टर. In conclusion, it can be said that organizational structure does not have any standardized design. स्टैंडर्डाइज का मीन्स होता है कि पहले से फिक्स कर दिया तो ऐसा नहीं कि यही होगा. अकॉर्डिंग टू चेंजेस उसमें भी चेंजेस किए जा सकते हैं. Which may be adopted by all the enterprise. It can have many forms or designed, and detailed description of all these will be read in this chapter. Okay, so you will see one definition you may take. Organization structure deal with the overall organization arrangements means job responsibilities, authorities को किसको देना है किसको लेना. all the arrangements are being done in organization structure. Okay, so types of organization structure we will come directly here. On the basis of work and size we will classify the organization structure into four parts: functional organization, divisional organization, line organization and line and staff. But students, only first two functions are in your syllabus: functional organization and divisional organization. So Today we will start from functional organization. What do you mean by functional organization? When the organization is structure is prepared on the basis of activities. Okay, it refers to the division of the whole enterprise. पूरे enterprise को किस base पे divide करना according to the major functions or activities to be performed. This is the simplest and most prevalent form of organization structure. Under this, all the functions of similar natures are divided in different units, which are called departments. Suppose finance department, marketing department, okay, production department, selling department. For example, the function of manufacturing and personnel department, again सब डिपार्टमेंट्स कैन बी एस्टेब्लिश इन ईच डिपार्टमेंट्स. ओके, वो बताता है कि जो हमने डिपार्टमेंट्स बनाए ना उनमें आगे हम सब डिपार्टमेंट्स भी क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. ओके, इन द मार्केटिंग department 3 sub departments like sale, advertisement and market research can be established. तो बताया इसने यहाँ पे कि जैसे जैसे हमारा एक्टिविटीज़ हमें परफॉर्म करनी है उनके बेस पे हम अपना ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर तैयार करेंगे. ओके, तो वी विल रीड further about functional organization in detail tomorrow. So till then, bye, be safe.